tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is my song.
Walk into the club like, what up? I got a big ounce pumped. I bought some from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like,
damn, that's a cold ass honky.
Rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressed in all pinks and my gator shoes. Those are green draped in a leopard mink. Girl standing next to me. Probably should've washed this. Smells like uncarried sheets. It was 99 cents. Copping it, washing it. About to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in, but me and grudgy fucking man. I'm stuffing and flossing and saving my money, and I'm hella happy that's a bargain. I'ma take your grandpa style. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa. Can I have his hand-me-down? Regular jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found. Dig it. Had a broken keyboard. I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket. Then I bought a kneeboard. Hello, my ace man, my Miller. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my friends game. Hello, I can take some pro wings, make them cool. Tell those sneakerheads to be like, he got the Velcro.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is my song. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is my song.
What she know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What she knowin' about wearing a fur fox skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Thank your granddad for donating that plaid button up shirt. Cause right now I'm up in her skirt. I'm at the Goodwill, you can find me in the. I'm not stuck on searching in the section. Your grandma, your auntie, your mama, your mammy. I'll put those flannel zebra jammies secondhand. I rock that. The built-in onesie with the socks on them. I hit the party and they stopped in that. They be like, oh, that Gucci, that's hella tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt, that's just a nigga with. I call that getting swindled and pimped. I call that getting tricked by business. That shirt hella dope. And after the same one, 6 of the people in this club is a hella dope. Gang, come take a look through my telescope. Tryna get girls from a brand, man, you hella won't. Man, you hella won't.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is my song. I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this bigger coat from that thrift shop down the road. I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this bigger coat from that thrift shop down the road. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is my song.
That's how we lose it. I don't care tonight, you don't care, we like almost there, the right vibe, ready to get live, ain't no surprise, take me so high, jumping those dives, surfing the crowd, then I gotta be the man, I'm the head of my band, like check 1, 2, shut them down in the club when the Playboy does, till they all get loose, out the bottle, we all get fit, till again tomorrow, gotta break loose, cause that's the motto, done shut down 100 supermodels.
Hey, I heard you were a wild one.
So cool, no doubt by the end of the night, gotta go coming off, then I make that move. Somehow, some way, gotta raise the roof. All black shades when the sun comes through. It's on like everything goes. I'm like living to the weekend show. What happens to that body is a private show. Stays right here, private show. I like a mundane, that's what they have pain. Tolerance, bottoms up with the champagne. My life from 100 and we hit fame. We easy with the deal, we get insane.
Hey, I heard you were a wild one. So now I'm on the prowl.
Well, 24/9, you go to girls' night.